Hi everyone, today's topic is ethics. Ethics is not part of any accounting standard, but still it is the part of the course study part of the course studied like entire IAS and IFRS for accounting, and in economics it is an important part. So getting into the topic, ethics. What is ethics? Ethics are the codes of moral principles. These are moral values, these are moral principles. There are fundamental principles in ethics. I will be elaborating that one by one. Professional competence, professional behavior, integrity, objectivity, and confidentiality. These are 5. Beginning with the first, professional competence and due care. What it is: to maintain professional knowledge and skills at a level required to ensure client receive competent service. This means that we maintain our professional knowledge and skills that the the employer receive competent service. Professional behavior. Professional behavior is to comply with relevant laws and regulation and avoid any action that discredit profession. Professional behavior is simply we should be professional, and we should be professional. We should comply with laws and regulation of the country, of the board, of the accounting body, or any body we are associated with the laws and regulation of the companies, and avoid any action that discredit profession. Obviously, if an accountant is caught in a fraud, then it will discredit the profession, obviously. The third is integrity. Integrity is straightforward and honest. We should be straightforward and honest with the client, with the company. Straightforward simply means we should be straightforward. We should not hide anything. We should be honest. Objectivity. Objectivity is not to allow bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence. There should be no biasness. There should be no conflict of interest. Usually there is a conflict of interest between the accountant and the company or the client. Or undue influence means no one should be able to pressurize that accountant or any person. So we should not allow biasness or conflict of interest or any sort of pressure. Confidentiality. Respect confidentiality of information and not to disclose any such information to third parties without proper and specific authority. Maintain the confidentiality of information taken as a part of business relationship. So, what are the safeguards when there is ethical dilemma, or where the ethics is to be gauged, or when you have to apply your ethics when there is a problem, when there is a conflict or safeguards we need? Safeguards, there are 3 steps. There are safeguards. Safeguards are created by profession, legislation, or regulation. Use those. Second, safeguards within the employer's own system. And third, educational training and experience. To elaborate one by one, safeguards created by profession, legislation, or regulation. There are some safeguards given by the country, and there are some safeguards given by the profession. For example, ACC body has given the safeguard that you need to contact them, explain the situation, they will suggest you some safeguards. The second is a safeguard with the employer own system. Usually good employer have safeguard on their own system, like inform the people, take the safeguards, use separate teams, and like that we use them. Third is educational training and experience. Educational training and experience are 2 things. Educational training is that an employee is being given training okay, what happen if you are faced with this ethical dilemma, then you should do this. This is the educational training telling the employee. And experience by the time the employee is being the employee gain experience, he have greater experience how to tackle the situation. So it will take time, but training can be on hand, and experience will take time. So this marks the end of ethics topic. This ethics is a very basic with the definition of ethics, the fundamental principles of ethics: professional competence, behavior, integrity, objectivity and confidentiality, and threats. Subscribe to my channel, do give a thumbs up to this video, and feel free to give your feedback in the comment section. Bye.